everyone, I'm Jen Woodhouse and this is Liam and Evie, and we just made this DIY pendulum paint project. And it's a fun activity that you can do at home with your kids that will allow them to stretch those creative muscles. So keep watching and we'll show you how we did it. You can make this project with things that you already have around the house. So here's what you're going to need. Some plastic disposable cups, string, a piece of scrap wood, and a canvas of some sort. This can be paper, cardboard, or even an old drop cloth. And of course, some paint. We used some leftover paint samples that we had and thinned it out with some water. Now for tools, you'll need a drill with a drill bit, a jigsaw, and scissors. The first thing you're going to do is make a cup holder out of the scrap wood. Trace the outline of the cup, but you won't cut on the line. You want it to be a bit smaller so that the cup sits inside it without falling all the way through. Use a drill bit to drill a starter hole for your jigsaw, then insert the jigsaw blade and cut the circle out. Again, follow along about 1/4 of an inch on the inside of the line so that the hole is smaller than the widest part of the cup.
Works.
Next, drill 4 small holes at each corner of the board. We threaded the string through the holes and hung the cup holder from the tree so that it hovered right over where our canvas was going to be.
Let's grab this side here. All right, let's hang this one. You ready? Sure. I'm going to hang it right above. One part. All right, so this is going right up here. Right.
Drill a hole into the bottom of the cups. You'll need one for each color. You'll also want to have some extra cups without a hole where you can thin and mix the paints.
Green. Okay, so let's see. We'll put quite a green. Yeah.
Now it's time to mix up some paint. You can use any kind of paint here, acrylic craft paint, latex, whatever you might have at home. You just want the paint to be thin enough so that it drizzles out from the bottom of the cup in a continuous stream. Mix up a few colors, drop the cup into the cup holder, and pour the paint into the cup.
All right, I'm going to pour this in here. Okay, now, before you're ready.
Use your finger to plug the hole until you're ready to swing the cup over the canvas.
Wait. Is it allowed to get onto the table?
I guess so.
How do people have holophobia? Yeah. What even is that?
The kids had so much fun playing with different colors and patterns. This is a really great creative project for your kids.
That one's really light.
Thanks so much for watching. If you want more info on this project and other kid-friendly activities, visit homedepot.com and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.
Circular.